Hello, what's up guys, and welcome to my channel. Let's just draw. And if you're new to this channel, then let me introduce myself. I'm Pema and I upload drawing videos. So I'm really not that good with words, but still I did this voiceover. I'm making this video so I can tell you guys about something important, and I'll continue that in my voiceover. Let's start. So you guys can give me like 3 minutes to change your mind about drawings. And as you guys can see, I have drawn like with every medium, except gods. Maybe I haven't still tried gods painting. I have tried like realism, charcoal drawings, and graphite, oil based, most of, but I still can't figure out like which one is my favorite. But the thing I'm sure about is I love paintings more than sketches. I like colors, I like beautiful things, maybe. I'm not sure, but maybe. So what I'm trying to say is that most of the people like start drawing and then they can start, but the main thing is that they can't continue to draw halfway, and then they quit to draw because it's not easy. That's that's what they say, but I don't think that's the case. I think maybe they don't see any benefit in drawings because they are not earning or they are not getting what they wanted. I think that's the case. And the satisfaction, when you do bad drawings, I don't think people get the satisfaction. So that's the reason they quit. The reason is still like the bad drawing, but I don't think that's the main case, because if it was the case, then many artists who are still continuing, they should also like have already quit, but they haven't. Like most of the people have like bad arts in the beginning, everyone. So the thing is here, they are not trying what they want. I mean, you should try different medium to get interested in drawing. I think you just shouldn't quit like in like 1 or 2 days. Just give it a time and then you'll get better day by day, because at the end of the day it's not about being better than anyone, in drawing. Being better than yesterday is already enough. My drawings may not look like, but I've been drawing for over 8 years or 9 years, and I upload videos like this to make you guys stay motivated. Yep, subscribe. See you in my next video. Take care, guys.